Hi all, welcome to my channel Stocks 3SC. This is the topic of the day: how to trade morning or evening stars in the market. The kind of pattern is getting generated after up move or down move, and it is a reversal pattern and is generated with the help of combination of three candles. So here we can see the combination of three candles. Before going ahead, this is a disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered analyst. All posts are for educational purposes, non-advisory, discretionary. No claims, rights reserved. I am not responsible for your profits or losses. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. So what is evening star? Evening star pattern is generated after a much higher up move, and then there is a green candle, after which there is one hanging man kind of doji is happening, and there is a red candle happening around, and then the downtrend continues. So it's a reversal pattern. On the contrary, morning star is getting generated after a down movement of the market, where after red candle there is one doji is getting generated and the green candle follows it, and then after the trend of up move continues. So evening star is a reversal pattern. Again, morning star is also a reversal pattern. What are the points of interpretation here? Morning star is generated after downtrend. There is combination of three candles: first red, second is doji, and third is a green. Same is the case with evening star, but it is getting generated after an uptrend and having combination of three candles only. The first candle is green, second is doji, and third is a red one. So we'll see how we will be able to trade the evening star first. Here the combination of three candles is forming overall high and low. So high of all the three candles is marked as H, and the low of all the three candles marked as L. So EP, pivotal point EP is H plus L by 2, from which we'll be setting our targets from for as a PV, pivotal point. So here H minus L is a PV point, which will be taken as a target from EP point. So target 1 will be EP minus PV, target 2 will be T1 minus PV, and the stop loss will be 1% higher than the overall high of the combination of these three candles. So the points to be noted here are that after a green candle, whatever the doji is happening, the opening, there should be a significant gap between the closing of the first candle and opening of the second candle, and also there should be the gap between closing of the second candle and opening of the third candle. So there is a significant gap in opening of this scenario. So where whenever this kind of pattern is generated, we can trade with the set rules. How is the morning star traded? It is after a downtrend there is a red candle and last candle is doji, and then a green candle follows. That is called as a morning star. Here again, what the points to be considered, that after the closing of the red candle and the opening of the doji must have some gap, and vice versa, the closing of doji and opening of green candle must have gap. So this is how the morning star is getting generated. The EP point has to be defined. EP is half of the H plus L. H high of the combination of three candles is marked as H, and the low point is marked as combination of low point of the overall combination of these three candles. So the targets are defined from the EP point as a PV, adding the PV onto the EP point. So T1 is EP plus PV and T2 is T1 plus PV. Here stop loss will be 1% less than the lowest point of the three combination candle. We'll see now the practical examples in the market. The first example is of the trend stock, where we can see in current condition there is a red candle, there is a doji, and there is a green candle. So in between closing of the red candle and the opening of doji, there is a gap, and again there is a gap between closing of the doji and the opening of the green candle. So this is a morning star condition. Here with the rectangle box, I have marked high and low of overall three combination of candles, and the dotted line shows the midpoint or EP point. It is high plus low by 2, from which the extension of the price value between high to low is extended as a target 1 and then as a target 2 from the target 1 point to this high minus low value. Stop loss is 1% below the overall combination high plus overall combination of candles low. So that is the stop loss here marked. Another example is of NHPC, where we can see after a down movement there is a combination of Morningstar generated. Again, the high and low, there is a rectangle I have drawn out here, where the high point of the combination of all three is marked as H, the low is marked as L, and the price movement from mid of this is marked as target 1, and from target 1 to target 2 again this price movement is marked as target 2. The stop loss is 1% below the low point of the overall three combination of candles. This is the stop loss mark here. Now coming down to evening star pattern, where the evening star is getting generated with the significant up movement, and there is a exertion in the market. What we see over here in example of Tata investment stock, where the first candle is green, second candle is red, third candle is red again. So the second candle can be doji or kind of spinning top, we can consider over here for the practicality. The high and low are marked for all this combination of the clutter, and the high of the highest point is marked over here, low is marked here, and the dotted line shows the midpoint of this, that is the EP. So the target is extended from EP to the total valuation between high and low. So this is target 1. Again from target 1 there is target 2 marked out. You can see target 1 and target 2. The stop loss from here is the 1% above the high level of the clutter. So this is the stop loss mark here. The other example is Bank Nifty, where we can see evening star formated after a significant up move, where the first candle is green, the second candle is doji somewhat, and the third candle is red. Here the high and low of the clutter is marked as a rectangle, and the dotted line shows the midpoint of it. Again the targets are extended from this midpoint dotted line up to the level of high minus low, and this is target 1, this is target 2. The stop loss is 1% above the high of the clutter, so this is the stop loss mark. I hope you are gaining some of the information about the trading scenarios. Please do subscribe and like the video if it is coming to your radar, and also suggest your friends to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and also stay wealthy.